Hey, yo, what up, Michael fan? Why is it that? Oh.
Exactly what my feed is reading.
So today I'm going to be showing you my fidget spinner collection part dos. So where's what case of them? Here it is. So right here I have this 2-prong one. Oh yeah, it's really nice. Then you guys know how I had that golden one? And that LED one? I traded it for this. I mean, look how sick that is. And look how smooth, fast it is. That's one little flick. It's so cool. Like right here when you spin it, that looks like glass. It's so see-through. It's legit. And I have this Tedeschi's one. It's super, super cool. It's very, very fast with one flick. And then I have this hydro dipped one, which is so cool. Spins good. I say it spins better than before. Then I have this white one that is so fast. It's crazy. I mean, look at that. Look how cool that looks. Yeah, and then I have my fidget cubes. It has a little switch, joystick, texture pad, I think it's called, gears, quickie ball, rolly ball, clickers, spinny thingy. Yeah, and then I have another fidget cube. It's a fake one, but it's kind of fun to play around with. So yeah. That's all for today's video, and when my other fidget spinners come, I'll do a video on them because I'm super duper excited for them to come. I mean, they're sick looking. I have a 6-prong one, and I think another golden 2-prong coming. Maybe a 3 it is. But yeah, it's sick, man. Michael fan. So yeah, that's all for today's video. And I'll give my friends a shout out right now because I know they subscribe not. So today's shout out goes to, wait for it. Drop the bass. Liam Wagner. Yeah. He's my friend at school. Yeah. So that's who today's shout out goes to. Doesn't that look sick? You got the little Ferris wheel on there. Alright, crap. Why is the phone keep falling out of my hands? Probably because I have a cast on. So yeah. So if you guys... Oh, I forgot one over here. And I have this blue one. It's sweet. It's fast. That's nice. So if you guys can guess something, I will be giving away this lacrosse ball. I'll sign it if you want. Yeah. So that's all for today's video, but peace. Oh, it's not off.